this boy there? I'll go. What? I'll go this house if you have. Body? Oh, no. Yeah. How are you? I'm good. Why? I don't go to school. Me today, I have problem. My yesterday night, my stomach. It's greedy. Oh. If I go to private, it's running. Yeah. Oh. So I make soft. Okay, it will go. Yeah, I take medicine. I see teacher Zacchaeus. Yeah. And he told me my income is with you, 4 months income. You see me every day, you see me, it's with you. So I'm coming to take. That one is true. Okay. And go inside and bring it. It's not here now. It's true that your income is there. Those people around, I give everybody money to him. Okay. Yeah. And you didn't give my income. That's how you are. I tried to get you, but they said that time you are in the your place. Asante. Yeah. You are I'm preaching to the gospel. So I didn't come there. So the money is there. It's there. Okay. Go inside. But not here. Here is not safe to put the money here. So where is it? I put it in bank. Bank. Yeah. Share. My money is bank. Kafefe Bank. Kafefe Bank? Yeah. And you put my money at... Name, did I tell you I want to put my money at Kafefe Bank? You see, now you are here, you say you are come for your money. I can't put the money here. If somebody will steal. If I'm not around, why didn't you do me mobile money? I don't know your number. I don't know your telephone number. How can you do mobile money? Buadi, don't try to be smart. Don't play trick. Oh, Nana, I respect you a lot. Because if it is trick, we are comfort, we the fetish priests, we are trickers. We can trick. So you can't come and trick me. Go inside and bring my money so I will go in peace. I put the bank money there. The money in the bank is for you still. So what's your problem? I'll blame Nana Akufo-Addo. I'll blame him. For what? Say he cancelled some of the banks. So the bank is among. So my money, where my money is also among. Today I decided to come to school to see, but because of my stomach problem. Body. So you want to tell me my money is not coming anymore? You don't. So how much I should give you? 6 million. You owe me 6 million. Why would you charge 6 million? You are 2 million. Sure. Or you don't know your money. Everybody is taking 4 million. So my own is 4 million. Listen, the white lady. He said you are not good in the learning, so you have to give you 2 million. Me 2 million. Yeah, 2 million. Buddy, you don't know whom you are dealing with. Why am I selling you? Buddy, you want to steal? You don't know. You see, it's because of you why I go and call my comfort camel. If I kill you, is it wrong? This is not killing affairs. Sure, one of the catchers is not killing matter. If you kill, what do you get? I will take your building and give it to rent. Go and bring me my money. The 3 weeks I'll give you the money to you. So 3 weeks now, or last year, no. Yeah, 3 weeks. Well, last is your last. The bank manager said 3 weeks, so how can I say anything? But I'll kill you. I will kill you right now. Are you giving me my money or you? 3 weeks. I'll give you. I should go 3 weeks. But you know, sir, what are you trying to do? I told you I brought the ghost. Who has mathematical? Body? Who has mathematical? If I talk to the ghost right now, are you paying or you are not paying? The money I'll bring it. You are bringing or you are not bringing? 3 weeks. I should talk to the ghost. Oh, 3 weeks. Well, because I don't dare you. If you are a man like me, try me and see. I'm waiting tomorrow. If I don't get my money, they say I've done. If I don't get my money by tomorrow, you will die. You will die, finish. Oh God, give me vision to drive this thing away. Because how can I do? Okay. Yeah, God, I have sleep. Broom. Thank you, God. You can't kill me. Ukum go me nonsense. He's beating me, man. What? I see you cleaning my cantation. That's what you are coming. You are cleaning my charm. I've charmed you. I'm killing you. You don't want to die. I put it on the floor. You sweep. Now I'm not putting it on the floor. Since I will kill you, I'm putting it in your water. If you drink, you will die. You will see. I'll kill you. God, please, another vision. Otherwise, you will kill me. Are you sure, God? Okay.
Wow.
Hey, why?
Wow.
Why want to kill me? Why?
You want to be?
This is quite nice.
Yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, so it's a store building anyway. So we can use the downstairs for conferences and then the up there for different things.
Yeah, I was thinking we can open up the hall a bit for an entertainment hall, and then do a movie house for the village people. You know, we need to keep them entertaining.
That's a good idea anyway. Yeah. It's almost done.
It's not bad.
It's big. It's,
yeah.
I like the whole act and the whole thing from this. It's really nice.
Yeah.
What up?
Hello.
Who's this?
It's one of the students, man.
A student.
I'm a fetish priest. May you comfort. Hey, what for? Me to form so.
Hey. We don't buy form in this school. Don't say anything that will make them think we've been taking their money.
Sir, I have a problem.
What is it?
I was serving my gods. I was worshiping my gods nicely. They pay me. They give me sheep, goat, fowls, crocodile, and etc. That my friend, he came to me and convinced me, sir, to come to school because school is good. And I'm saying, fine. Are you going to pay me? They say yes. We sign agreement. Say every month you pay me. Now 4 months, my income is not coming. 4 months income. I'm not seeing my income.
4 month income.
He's just talking about the pay.
I heard you've given the money to that man. Body. You give my. Why do you have to give my money? In fact, don't look for my trouble.
It's okay. Wait, how long have you been in school?
Don't look for. If you don't give my money, I will kill you. I will kill you. I will kill off.
You don't talk like that. Don't talk like that. When you say
It's okay. Wait, how long have you been in school?
Almost 1 year.
But the school is, we are not even up to a year.
Offer. In Ghana, you don't argue with fetish priests. If you argue, I will kill you. Okay, so I won't say I will kill you again, but if you fool, I will kill you.
Okay, go. Can you imagine? But Prince, what's wrong with you? Why did you give the money to Bwadi?
This is your fault.
You're supposed to give the money to me. I know these people more than you do.
From beginning, you messed things up. I was just trying to do the right thing. I thought.
That's so wrong. Look at what you caused him.
You guys just...
No, you know, he knows what he did.
No, I know these people more than you do.
Even this building, right? I'm going to make sure anybody that you pay, I get a receipt.
I don't take a time. I'll do.
Bwadi, me calling you stand here, no, it no be any problem. The money way they with you, no. They've planned to arrest you because of that money. Our colleagues, because of the money, you know, they are 4 months paid. They say the money is there with you. When they say bring the money, you don't want to bring the money. So they are planning to go report you.
Listen, if you can tell them something, it's good. The money, I know it. The money is there. The money is safe. But when the teacher give it to me, I don't want trouble. Because if I take it to my house is not safe. So I take it to bank.
Which bank?
Kafefe Bank. And when they say they need the money and I go for the money, the problem is that it's among of the 5 bank government cancel it.
The bank, the government closed.
Yeah,
Kafefe they among.
It's among.
You, my guy, for the sake of you, I come to this school. And if you get money and you want to save it, best point, there's so many good banks. Why you take it to Kafefe?
I went to the bank manager that I need the money. He said, unless 3 weeks before you give me the money. But I don't know that these people, they are not.
But yesterday, to Peace FM say, if the bank they inside cry, you go there, they will give you money.
It's true.
It's true.
But if the police, if they arrest me, can you come and bail me?
Oh, why not? I can come and bail you.
If you can bail me, there's no problem.
With the way you're talking, as if say you talk the money.
No, we are not taught by
the money they there, how will they arrest you?
No, the prevention is better than yours.
Okay.
It's no problem.
Back to school, yeah, beko. School yo, yeah, beko. School yo, yeah, beko. Yeah, beko. Busy make us school yo, yeah, beko. School yo, yeah, beko. School yo, yeah, beko. Yeah, beko. Be everywhere me kobi, yeah, beko. For grand sosa, yeah, beko. School yo, yeah, beko. Yeah, beko. Be.
That's what I don't like. We the fetish priests, that is why they say Yekunipa. We kill too much. Because Adebo Neshia, I will kill you.
Stop that, I'll kill you. You went to a wedding place to go and sprinkle some concussion there. Who told you that you have to kill? How many people have you killed? Let me tell you something. We only do you a favor. Come to school. Let's teach you to be able to speak English and know how to work arithmetic. Right now, even though you have not completed the school, you cannot put on shirt. Previously, you were not putting on shirt. If today, by the grace of God, we have opened your eyes, just exercise patience. Me, myself, I'm feeling for you people. Because we want to establish great men and women in this town.
In our tradition, we don't do that.
What's it?
So, if I need my money, if you don't give me money, I will kill somebody.
Just exercise patience. Exercise patience. They are doing what Napoleon could not do. So stop that I'll kill you.
Sir, you are not giving me any favor. Me, when I was worshiping my gods, when I'm preaching my gods, they pay me fine. They give me everything. They give me a punching, giant goat, fowl, guinea fowl, Togo fowl, Burkina fowl, American fowl, every fowl they give me. What favor are you giving me?
They'll give you Ephesus fowl, giving you Revelation fowl, giving you Chronicles fowl, Esther fowl, and famous fowl. Let me tell you, stop that, I'll kill you, and then go and take on something proper. I have told you that you get your money. All that you need is your money. Look, exercise patience, and I will make sure that I get to the bottom of this matter, and everybody gets your money.
You have given you a message. If I don't get my money by tomorrow, I'll kill some. In fact, I will kill you yourself.
Are you giving me an ultimatum or what? You cannot give me an ultimatum.
Sir, I'm a fetish priest. I'm a fetish priest.
You can even be the devil yourself.
I'll kill you.
Come on. Go out here then you kill you. God, just try my patience. Oh, we never we any we have a name. This is if and Namalo. Jonah Wedi.
Sir.
Jonah Wedi.
Sir.
Jonah Wedi.
Sir.
How many times have I called you?
3.
Yes. 3 stands for seriousness and perfection. I'm very, very serious sitting beside you today. Because from the Abinkunabulis to the scatological divinity, I trusted you. That is why when you came to my permanent place of domicile, raging like a rolling lion and like a python that someone has stepped on his tail, I forced myself to calm you down and to organize for the money to be given to you. You are the class prefect. Now, after giving the money to you, you have disappointed yourself and disappointed me. Now, let me speak Twi for you to understand. You scam or say, why do you spend the money? Why, Bwedi? Why?
Let me tell you something. I will never, ever take somebody money.
So where's
the money you are talking about? I didn't eat.
Where's the money?
The money is very safely. Very, very safely. The money you give it to me, I put it to the bank. And unfortunately, when I put it to the bank, they said they are all they put about 4 or 5 banks in one position. The Kafefe Bank, what do you call Capital Base, Bridget Bank, Royal Bank, UNB Bank, and more. So he told me before we get the money, let's exercise patient. 3 weeks, he give the money 2 years. So I'm waiting for 3 weeks so I can give that fucking money to anybody that I can be free. What kind of money is this? You people are worrying me like that.
Buddy, old man like you telling lies. In any way, I came here to tell you that I'm for peace. But when I speak, they are for war. If you don't get the money that belongs to your friends and bring it to me. If you don't bring the money, I will make sure that you are jailed and you are tormented in prison. No, I will not even take you to Ghana prison. I will send you to Burkina Faso prison.
Please,
buddy.
I will not take your money.
You go.
You give me that thing. I give the money to you. That's all. Burkina Faso prison, not human beings sleeping there.
Don't worry,
my friend.
I've given you 3 days. Now, Oko, let me sonko suri driba everywhere.
I no fear.
Oh,
Joseph, he's still prison. Joseph, he's still prison. Mandela, he's still prison. Rollins, he's still prison. Kwame Nkrumah, he's still prison. I said 3 weeks. That's all.
Buddy,
you can take me to police, and now I'm ready for that. Okay.
Give us our money. Buddy. Give us our money, Bwedi.
Give us our money, Bwedi.
You this way. You this way. You rush too much. You can catch him.
Give us our money! Give us our money! No! We need our money! Hey!
Bwedi, give us our money! Give us our money! Give us our money, Bwedi! Bwedi, give us our money! Give us our money! Give us our money, Bwedi! Where is it? Why do you open the door? Give me my money! Give me my money!
Ready for you!
Ready!
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 Ready for you!
Yes, Pop!
I'm gonna send you around.
I'll wait for him, me! Give me my money! Today! Ready for you, fool!
Ready for you, fool!
Yes, Wallah! Everybody check around.
Yes, sir!
Have you found her?
No! We can't find him.
He's not in the room.
He's hiding.
He's what?
He's not in the room. It's locked.
I mean, a lot to assemble. Lot to the other nation. Assemble down here when the movie. You have to vigilance your eyes.
Yes.
And look to find it.
Yes. Yes, we shut. Tokro, tokro.
Tokro, tokro. You get me?
Yes, sir.
Kabuadi.
Pay before you do.
Everybody.
Kwana. Wadi, utiate.
Kibe na ache. Come on. Ọkọ tí náà sọ, ó rẹ̀ adé náà sí rẹ̀ náà ọkọ tí náà sọ. Nígbà tí ó sì kẹ́yìn.
See, what is that?
We collect our money.
We don't take our money.
It's our day.
Our money, the money that they pay us.
Money?
Yes.
School fees? From Bwedi?
Your school fees.
Our pay, we collect it.
Bwedi give you money?
Yes.
To buy. My payment, no they give me money. My payment, I won't take buy.
The school we dey go, then they pay us for school
every month.
So the money, the month, so you go collect
the money ceremony.
Yeah.
Then they check me.
They cheat you. You dey here sleep when you are telling us they cheat you.
Go collect your own.
Check me. Don't give me some.
It's true.
Go for your own.
Who knows tomorrow?
Yes. Who knows tomorrow?
If you have no one,
who knows tomorrow?
The one yes.
He there. He there.
Yeah.
He take the nose or the nose is there. Yeah. Yeah, he knows all. They did the house.
You will get your money.
Cheers.
She said there's stomach. They eat food. No, she has been running. Hey. I don't know what it's called.
Stomach running. Hey. Stomach running serious.
Yes.
Go.
No, my stomach is pain me and run.
Hey, stomach.
Yes.
You like man.
You the second.
You like man. You don't like me. You don't look sick.
You are pregnant.
Today, teacher asked of you.
Not pregnant.
And when he asked, I said you said your stomach is paining, and Christy said you are pregnant.
Yes, you are pregnant.
Whom?
You told.
Yes.
You told her.
For here. Christy told teacher you are pregnant.
No.
Christy
Hey. I dey sick in my stomach. I dey
Hey.
Whether you are pregnant. You are pregnant.
You come and
You are pregnant.
You telling me say you pregnant. Me? How did you tell me pregnant? Huh?
But I told you. Please,
you be that.
She's lying.
Me? You be that. Hey, I don't know.
Oh, don't cry.
Hey,
big bottle.
Who big bottle?
You want to?
You lady pancake. Lady pancake.
I born your mother.
You want to push me
my grandma
for the tank
I
inside
born
there?
your mother.
You don't walk like this.
She want to push me for the tank inside.
You don't walk like this.
Listen me. She want to push me for the tank inside.
Don't worry. You, I know.
Are you?
I know your eyes.
Are you connection?
Nana, why isn't that you are using our school uniform in your Asante?
If I'm using the school uniform in my Asante, is it your matter? It is my matter because I come to school 4 months income. You didn't pay. So it is my own income. So I can use the uniform in a market medicine company, everywhere. Even your petition bar, I can use it because it's my income.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Sure.
It's okay. It's okay. Nana,
Saga,
I want you to help me.
Help you?
Yes. And I'll give you money.
What are them, Yana?
No. I'm telling you.
Is it not Toli?
It's not Toli. It's the gospel truth.
You are a very stubborn man.
No.
Why are you giving me money?
Because if I will become a headmaster, I will like it. If I become a headmaster, I will like it.
You.
And you become a teacher. So
you are lying. You are Toli.
No.
It's not Toli.
No, it's not Toli. You become a teacher so that you can teach the children in the classroom for Akom.
Hey, you see, you have to tell all the students to also learn Akom.
Yes.
When the school it didn't help you, you can go and open your office. Yeah. Now we are even selling forms, Akom forms. Yeah. We are selling them. A bit or more, Mekom, yeah, forms go.
Yeah.
So if I teach them here, it's perfect.
Yeah.
So why do you want me to?
The whole issue is, I want you to go to any country you like and bring powerful bosom so that you can take off the headmaster from the chair he's sitting and I will come and sitting at the headmaster chair. So I become a headmaster in the school. I become the headmaster.
Ayo.
Yes. I will give you money.
This one, dear. Me, this time I didn't want to do cheating again.
I know, but help me to become a headmaster. You should do one or two things so that the headmaster will be off. They will sack she from the sitting of the chair.
I've told cheating, but if you want me to
relax, relax. Send a bear. The headmaster will not do anything there.
Then I have to
relax.
Is it not? It's how relax. Be now. What kind of maybe no? Those days relax.
Yeah.
It's the same relax you are saying.
Yeah. Relax.
Says Akios.
Please, relax.
Me, if you say you give me promotion,
So I won't come and sit in the children.
No.
And they will be pointing. I'm a fetish priest.
I know.
I have a scholarship and a certificate in Akom.
Do you have an ID card?
Relax.
Do you have card?
Relax.
Akuya, long time no come for school. Why? You know exams is coming.
The pregnancy is making me vomit. Every day I vomit. Every time I vomit.
Vomit.
So yes.
Vomit. So
what so pregnant? I don't want to come to school and I'll vomit and people will laugh.
No one laughing you. School, no one laughing you. Everybody know you get stomach. So no laughing again. If vomit coming, you come, bring konko, bonswa, chancing. You vomit inside. Go trap. Then you write paper. You know, paper is coming. You write. You see? You start. You want to backslide. Why you want backslide? Don't backslide.
Okay.
Come to school.
Okay, I'll come.
So when?
Tomorrow.
You making me laughing. You make my face fine. Now I want to know who, that your teacher, that mumu teacher. What is he doing?
That Pampem.
Yes, Elijah. Or the name is what? Zacchaeus. What's he doing?
Zacchaeus didn't say anything.
Zacchaeus.
So I report to headmaster. Headmaster say he will help me.
Headmaster say he will help you. Hey, you lucky, oh. You lucky, papa. But no stay home. Come school, write paper. You don't backslide, oh. Tomorrow I come take you go.
Thank you.
Don't thank. I'm go home. I'm go home. Waste time for this stomach. It go burn. Anything you go burn, you write as out. You see? Come see me road.
Thank you.
Yesterday I'm hearing say headmaster raping Sandra.
It is true. Yesterday we saw it.
Abba.
We saw it with our naked eyes.
Yes, I catch me.
Yes.
We catch my own eyes.
You dey lie.
It's true.
Don't say that.
I see my face there.
Hey,
yeah.
You see say Bible say what your eyes saw is what you say.
Yet she no.
Me I know inside. I not see you know. Me I not see you. So
it's true. I see. I catch him.
Oh, is that how you people are?
What have you done?
You can't hear the talk teacher matter, they gossip. Hey!
Who gossip?
Love you.
You gossip?
Yes.
You hearing me saying?
Yes. We come here, we hear say, you put the day here, they do kokosa, but the teacher cafe.
Why you want hear? Why you listen? Why you listen? You don't make kokosa, why you listen?
Sitting with the children, gossiping about the teacher. Is it good?
See,
we are going to tell the teacher so that you 4 people here, they are going to sack you from the school.
Hey, who is holding woman? Hey, if you are not
don't talk. They will sack these girls from the school.
Ma'am, if you do, I'll beat you.
Beating who?
If you do, I'll beat you.
You mean she got baja like Gary Kotoku standing? You say you beat him.
If you do me, I'll beat you, mommy.
Go beat your mother.
We are going to tell the teacher.
Sorry, let's go.
We are going to tell the teacher.
Let's go.
One of my friends who is in Kumasi.
Okay.
Yeah. She mother is sick. Oh. And I'm praying that she's mother to die.
No. I'll reverse it.
Why?
Sir, I'm a fetish priest. I'm a comfort.
Yeah.
I'll reverse it back to sender. Why?
No. Because if his mother die, we will for
somebody.
Yeah, for Sikabra.
No. See, if another car is plenty and expensive than somebody, so I'll reverse it. Why? I'll reverse it. See, like what I was telling you, try and fulfilling your promises.
Yeah.
When you get your post, you also fulfill my promises.
Don't talk too high. I will do it, and I will try as much. Said I'll give you what I promise you.
Yes.
And you'll be taken off for all the thing. Okay. I will not get back again and say and tell you that I didn't give you. If it comes in, I'll give you a promise. I will not fulfill you.
Oh, me dear, you know, me and my girls, we are friends.
Okay.
We are colleagues.
Yeah.
We are everything. So they are
behind me everything I do.
Okay.
Until you do your part. Okay. I'm also doing my part. Today I will come to the school.
Okay.
And when I come, there will be consequences. Why you need medicine for your hair? I have kote in my room. It's a medicine. New latest in town.
Relax. Yeah, relax.
Oh, okay. Huh?
Relax.
Again. Again in my shrine. That relax.
Relax.
You know you are crazy.
Relax. Relax. To be frank, it's very, very tragedy that the headmaster, she himself eat a student in the class. It's very, very tragedy. I don't believe that she herself can do that.
Hey,
I can't believe it.
I don't even understand myself. What is that? This is true seekers. I mean, it's unpardonable mistake. He needs to be punished. What is this?
So this thing happened in this class?
Yeah.
You are not in the school.
Hey.
Can you yourself, you just imagine, can you yourself remove your thing and give it to headmaster to eat in the classroom?
Why should I do that? Oh. I can't chip in myself like that.
This is not chipping. And you can't involve yourself for that.
No, he needs to be punished because this one is, uncontemplated acting.
Yes. That's a good idea. Can you see me after your meeting?
Yeah. No, I can't see you.
Why? You're supposed to see him.
You need to see me. There's something important we need to talk about.
No, please. I can see. If you have anything to say, say it.
Oh, okay. The thing is, we've discussed about it.
Relax, cry. Yeah. Relax. Yeah. The headmaster should not do that.
What he did is contaminated that.
Yeah.
And he needs to be punished.
The thing is, yo, listen, can you please listen?
Relax.
No, he's trying to say
what's important to you?
He's trying to say so.
Relax.
We want to make you the next headmaster.
Wow!
How do you allow yourself to be used in this way? Just to disgrace me.
Headmaster, you know we are here to encourage you that we know that whatever they are saying, you didn't do it. You must remember that if one door closes, another door will immediately open. Yeah. So don't be discouraged.
We are with you. What happened is unfortunate because we believe that you will never do such a thing. You will not do it.
But how can I do such a thing?
You can't. It's impossible.
Someone, Lord.
The truth will come out. So don't worry. Take that. You are going to be vindicated.
Yes.
Yes. When the Philistines gathered together against the Israelites, Goliath stood there to throw tantrums. Men of Israel are turned into women, and women into children. But Lord, you raised little David to prove that you are a just God. If it is true that you died on the cross, and after you were buried, you resurrected and ascended, all those behind this plot, I would not say that calamity should come upon them, but let them know that you are alive. Zacchaeus, your cap is now full. Right now, a snake has coiled around your neck. If you try to remove it, it will bite you. And if you let it stay, people will say you are a wizard. The laws of the land will now deal with you, you obstinate boy.
You see, I have to sing Why
are you singing?
Yes, because I have to be happy. I have to be happy. Because There's a good news in this school right now.
Good news?
As I'm talking to you now.
What kind of good news?
What about my friend Zacchaeus, teacher Zacchaeus?
Yeah.
He's the next headmaster in this school.
Are you serious?
I'm more than that.
It is impossible.
It's possible.
It cannot be possible.
It's the possible.
Zacchaeus.
Zacchaeus is the next headmaster in this school. I'm going to be the next contradicted in this school. We are going to take over. You're taking over in this Gaga.
So this is Namonites. You know Namonites? No. Yeah. If you want to know the ingredients of this thing, you put something inside. This thing, you grab the fan. Water inside. You come to Europe, a farmer, and then you open and put the gongon this thing. You know gongon this thing. You put it inside and put it inside the machine, and the machine go round.
With your eyes?
No, your nose. Have you seen somebody using the nose see something?
Pour water here to pass.
Yes. So, have you hear the news in this school?
There are lots of news around.
The news around the school I'm talking about. I heard you come to change the master of this school.
You mean the headmaster?
Yes.
Of the school?
Yes.
How?
Yeah, he said that Zacchaeus come to be master of this school.
It wouldn't work.
Why?
Zacchaeus.
Yeah.
It will never work. Yes, it is impossible. For Zacchaeus to become a headmaster of this school, it can never happen.
Yes.
Unacceptable. Over my dead body.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
This matter in your matter.
Because it is important. We are not going to allow that man to become a headmaster.
I don't like that impossibility. If you chip in somebody's matter, don't mention matter name on this matter. Because if you mention matter, you are calling matter, and matter is a student.
You should know that I am a teacher. When I speak, it carries weight.
Yes.
You understand? You have to accept what I'm saying. It will never happen in this school.
Why?
Nobody in this school can allow you to pass your exams. I is the only one who can allow you to pass your exams. Simply because I want you to authorize yourself to my authority. Yes.
What are you doing? Is everything okay?
Everything is okay.
You sleep with my friend and you wanted to sleep with me too?
Yeah.
Why? Are you crazy?
Hey, you are fools. So I will sleep both of you. If Twi allow itself and honey grab him, if dear man who cry and a water me
back to school, yeah, back school, yeah, back.
Sir, you calling me?
You know, I called you. God have every person in this world appropriate time for him. But if yours does not come, means God don't love you. Onyankopo wo mre de mani pada sani bia na wo mre nduso a unim se onyankopo no wandi ni. Now God has raised me from the dust to a water, and now I am the headmaster of this school, and I will try as much as possible to bring the school up to the level so that all the students can pass KNUST. You remember that you go to say and told him that I'm teaching rubbish in the school.
It is true. You don't teach what? Nothing. You don't know anything. You miss everything, Yama. What teacher come inside class teach? Push.
Yeah.
Push. Why? Is that teaching?
We thank God. This is your resolution letter I'm giving to you. You are resigning off the school. You are not coming to this school again.
Sir, this school isn't for you.
No.
You build the school.
No, I know I made it.
You employ me for school.
No, I employ you.
I'm not collecting today. Tomorrow Twi is there.
You go.
I'm not going.
Get it and go.
You lie.
What's going on here?
Yes, sir.
Are you okay?
Thank you, sir.
What's going on? What the hell is going on?
The woman,
Shut up!
What's your problem? Every day complaints upon complaints. You are here sacking someone, giving someone letter. Do you know she's a mother?
He go toilet in the classroom and he's and I tell she that she should take the toilet outside.
Do you even understand the English you are speaking?
No.
Oh, shut up! If you are talking, you are talking. You are as useless as the chair you are sitting on. Do you know that? You see what I'm talking about? This is what your boyfriend has employed. You see this? You see this? Is this what we call qualification? You're giving someone letter. Do you know she's a mother? Somebody came to school, you are giving her letter for what?
Look, I'm tired. I'm tired.
Me myself, I'm tired of you.
Me too, I'm tired.
Oh, then you leave my school. You are leaving this school today.
I should leave your school and go away.
But you say you are tired.
I'm tired of sitting down.
You what?
I'm not going any place.
You will not leave my school.
No.
Why?
Why should I be in the school?
Every day complaints. It's you there, it's you here, it's you everywhere.
Oh, where complaints? I don't complain to you.
You complain to me.
I don't complain to you. Why did I complain to you?
What I'm talking about.
Why did I complain to you?
Is the school for you?
You know she's the school for
you. Look, you can't mess with my school. Do you hear me? If you fool, I'll take it out of this school. What's your problem? Relax. Sit down. What's your problem? Look, you'll be careful in this school. Do you hear me? You will be very, 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 very careful in this school. I don't want to hear anything from you again. Take. Where is? What's your problem?
Relax.
You're still telling me to relax.
Yeah.
We are going to fire you. Let's go.
Wait for my letter. Do you hear me?
Relax.
What kind of useless life is this?
Relax. Now I'm the headmaster of this school. I'll see to you that every person will be in class when the teacher is shishing. Because if the teacher is shishing and you are not in the class, I will not tolerate that.
Why I go to school? I go run away every day. Every day, I go run away.
Me, my father be headmaster for different schools, so it's not by force I go there.
Every day school.
This school I go take them. Sometimes I ask myself, what can I do?
Hey! Relax! Hey! What are you going on?
My Jimmy so. Yeah. Be body. Yeah. Kai. Be body. I didn't find chocolate. Maybe. In a minute. No. Be body. Yay! Ready? Me and then. Hey. Chronicle. All the boys I went. I will see to you that you pass your exams, eh? Any bad teacher who teach you, I will not suppose that teacher, eh?
Okay, sir.
If they give you homework, tell me. I will do it for you, eh?
Okay.
I will see to you that I will come here every day, right?
Okay, sir.
And it's good to you to do anything to me, right? So I will not take too long. You must go inside there, huh? I will use it. 10 seconds. Pa 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 pa. Clink 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 clink. Pew pew. Then it will become. If you see my face, you will slap him because it's 3 seconds. And it's good.
No, sir. I'm going to cook for my brother.
Cook?
Yes, sir.
So you mean cook is better than Imyamu?
No. No, sir.
Huh? I'm working here. I'm coming and take you to my house in James and say and cook.
No, sir. Please, I can't go. I'm sorry.
Nipsi. Abua. Let's go. Relax. No. Hey, let's go. No. I said relax. Me no call me James is here. We say cook. Who cook? Your brother cook. You cook. Wow. Hey. What is this?
My breast.
Your breast?
Yes.
And you are using this breast? Hey. It's very tomorrow come early. Because the only thing is I can't waste any.
What are you doing with this one?
I don't know. I'm here. Oh, I'm here. And he came.
For?
Say we go, Jim.
You are fun with these people. Oh. They no get a dream, Papa. You cry. Why? Be careful because if you do nyama like this and you get pregnant for this house, you go suffer. No. Me, I no go mind you.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Me, I didn't do anything.
The school cut out. Cut out from the school. I go for you. I go double.
We need you back. Also, Baba. We need you back. Hey. Also, Baba. We need you back. 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 Hey. Also, Baba. We need you back. Also, Baba. We need you back. Also, Baba. We need you back.
You know they.
It can be possible. Yeah. Oh, it can be. Let's go. You know they. You can't believe it.
Also no do. You know they there.
Because I'm serious here. What is all this? What is all this from? Because of that rapist? You guys are disgracing me. You're disgracing me. What is this? Because of that rapist? And you guys are gather yourself and do demonstration. You want to spoil the school? You don't know what happened? Everybody get down! I said get down! Hey, sleep! I said sleep! Hey! Sleep!
Oh, sir, can you do this?
Give it to me!
I'm tired, Joe. Oh, I'm tired.
I said sleep!
I'm tired,
Nonsense! Nonsense! Class is same bedroom!
I'm not sleeping today.
Hey!
Tomorrow's Tuesday.
All of them!
I go keep you. I go keep you. Sack you.
We are mature there. I sleep! Someone for sleep! What is all this?
The house is spending me. Sir, the house is spending me. I am tough.
You are the problem. I'm really disappointed in you. Everything have to confront me.
Confronting what?
Confront me first.
For what?
Because I was the one who saw what happened. I'm disappointed in you.
Hey. What's all this?
Huh? Can you believe this?
Everybody get out.
No,
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Just like that.
God bless you.
Yes. You don't have to treat them like that.
No, they have to be punished.
Your friend is killing you.
Oh, yeah. I'm very sorry for what has just happened. I know why you guys are doing this. It's about the headmaster issue.
Yeah, the rapist.
Yeah. The authorities are really working on it. We will definitely do what will really benefit you guys, okay?
Yes, sir.
I'm very sorry for the incidents, okay?
Everybody. Work fast.
But I'm sure you will never stop. You will never
Zacchaeus, you think I'm a fool? So you want to trick me? I'm not a fool, Zacchaeus. I'm not a fool. You can't fool me. Do you think I'm a child? I'm not a child. I'm a fetish priest. I'm a comfort. You want to play tricks on me? You want to zam me? Me do is I? You make you a headmaster. What is my position? Give me my teacher position. This is why they say I confirm. Me, if you play with me, I'll kill you. Where is my teacher? Where is my teacher post? You think you are smart? You are the headmaster now. You don't want to give me my teacher position. Please, I don't want to kill you. I like you. I don't want to kill you. Give me my teacher position.
Sure. As patient. I don't sleep on the ground and take it aback. So
why are you not giving me my position?
Read my lips. everything that I have told you, I will try as much as possible to do it for you.
Sure. As our patience, and you are enjoying.
You are enjoying.
You are enjoying.
I know what I'm enjoying.
You are enjoying. Look at from come on. Nice. Win. Nice. Win. Blowing everywhere do you. When? I'm going to that.
I'll take time. I dropped the headmaster. How long? Only previous days I become the headmaster. What I promise you, I will try to do it for you. Don't worry yourself.
Zacchaeus, even if it's 1 day, 2 days, you are the headmaster now.
I know, but if I'm the headmaster, we take Arno.
So next time
I said I'll give you a position. Why are you rushing me like that?
I'll kill you. If you are talking to me and you are doing this, I'll kill you.
You kill me. Kill me.
Me, po.
I'm not afraid of killing.
Me, po. You're not afraid of killing.
You cut it off. Chaso.
Ochia.
I'll do it for you. I'll do it for you.
You think I'm a child?
I'll do it for you.
Don't tell me relax. Is it not sir? Relax. No, now can you not? That's relax.
Hey, relax. Relax.
Is it not that saying relax?
What is it relax? Relax.
Should I go and teach?
Relax.
That's saying relax, maybe not.
Yes.
Why?
Oh,
here.
I'll do it for you.
Let me ask you something. Who give you certificate to teach?
My certificate?
I
quite remember. Nana Kufuado.
Akufado?
Yeah.
Did he see you?
Exactly.
You are among the 130.
Precisely. By my parents.
Your parents?
Yeah.
When we complete school, when we finish school, you have your certificate in Ecuador.
You work at the parliament?
For this English?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are learning about question tags. Okay, it's part of the English syllabus. So let's say 1. We will go to church tomorrow. Give me the answer for this one. Who can answer this? Class, you.
Won't we?
Okay, clap for her.
Hey, Shashambo, where is the headmaster?
Which headmaster?
The one pelling the ball.
I've not seen him.
Where is he go? Where is
I've not seen any headmaster.
Yes. You don't want to tell me, eh?
I said I've not. Have you given me any headmaster?
I'm waiting.
Ah.
Obaf,
Did you come to class or you come to sit here?
Hey, mommy.
Leave my class.
I'll kill you.
I said leave my class. Hey guys.
I'll kill you.
Come and throw him out.
Who is guys?
Leave the class this moment.
Who is guys? Hey, you.
Throw him out.
Red. Hey, red mine.
Throw him out of the class.
I've seen your face.
Let's continue. Okay, so question 2. He doesn't have...
You let me throw me out. You.
Yes.
I'll do this.
What's the meaning of all this?
If you argue, I will kill you. You. Hey,
come and sit him.
Outside.
What's all this non-serious behavior? So, he doesn't have money. Who can answer this one? Anybody? Yes, you. You answer this question.
Madam, he's drawing.
He doesn't have money.
He's drawing. What shall we drawing?
We are not drawing, no.
He say tomorrow we go to church, but I'll go today, so I write.
I said
the church.
He doesn't have money. Give me the question tag of what I wrote on the board. Okay, give me one. He didn't have money. So what would be the answer?
Okay. He has money.
Shame. Lazy girls. Okay.
Jesus! Why are you crying? But you are crying! Okay, listen to me. Nothing is too hard for the God that we serve. Because we serve a living God. Listen, it is well with you. Huh? Listen, stop crying. Let's go.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
I'm also fine. What is your mission this morning? So you can't speak English? Okay, go ahead.
Yo, say, I would have malanka some the other one.
Exactly.
And I'm miss them, co school and mat. Namakadamoko. Say, what you mat there? What you answer? No, Munduman slow. And number them baggage on them porch from in the face. The marks that you just need to say, oh, nobody first know about bloatching. And some of them for them who are watching, it's not plan. No, one of my young man, bye bye.
First, in the Obiedi Kai Enya, Dada.
Say, some porch, but them in the face. Namu kwa bloating. Nami ya mam bye bye.
It's not big deal. Me too am with the first. Now, me more the first. Then I'll wait by your mommy.
I say I'll meet the land.
Yeah, the other car.
I'll say code in your castle.
First in the medical dia movie. Second in the meet by the amount. Wait for the second.
As many second. la. Me come catch a mommy, made a secret.
What is it?
Ghallywood. For some delay.
Nemo no second answer na bedino. And she share wo ho. De dikai. Obeto aponche ade abreme. De tosumienu me pa kokko. And so so to de ka ho. E tosumiensa to bode ne banche. Na eto afase ene eye bayrepa. Afi no to kankum ade aka ho. De eto so enan no. Ukoni ntosi na totoso de ndie mane ndoso. Di twato kwa no medwam.
I say, Papa, you smell country, but I didn't know it happen. And so you be more.
Uyabi.
Never Germany, dear. What the mum?
In the moon.
I know me had it lad. I'm put me vending, net out footing in the room. And me had it lad. Me use a make 7,000. I'm the to flee.
Free.
You're passing the battle.
Sir, who come with 7,000?
7,000. Mamma, some you quite know the book Tiffy. Some you quite near the Tiffy.
You doing this guy here?
You papa by you.
Ah, by you. People by you. That's now.
See, you couldn't see Sally.
There be a money anyway.
Allez.
You come, but you couldn't see Sally. Come. I am to
It is only Galley.
You come near Dindamala. But I'm the Nam Cobble chill. Banama Talewa. I don't want to dinner tableau. Zebedi. Young quick.
Says here.
Quite in our phones, yeah. Young Conan could come see you.
Who come?
Oh,
baby.
I open inside my body. In the down school. Why did no one get so?
Eh, Chasso.
Young quay. Mamma's almost mamma.
Mempe.
And you know, Jayo.
You go to block me, my channel. Means the loss.
Oh, it's a block.
Was upon it. And when you took him, sing you couldn't. I'll be the one.
About going.
What a man, about
your
the network.